How to save favorite responses in Ask AI. Want to save your Ask AI conversations for later? Even though Ask AI doesn't have a built-in save option, don't worry, I will show you the easiest way to save your chats manually. First things first, open your browser and go to www.iask.ai and log in if you haven't already. Now go to the search history and find the response you want to save. Once you get a response you love in Ask AI, just highlight the text with your mouse or your finger if you are on mobile. Easy, right? Make sure you select the entire answer you want to keep. Copy it. On a computer, you can press Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. On mobile, just tap copy from the menu that pops up. Boom! Your favorite response is now in your clipboard, ready to go. Now, paste it somewhere safe. You can use Notes, Google Docs, Word, or even a chat with yourself. Just open your app and hit Ctrl+B or paste on mobile. And there you go. Your response is saved and easy to find anytime. And that's how you save your favorite responses from Ask AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.